What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at a case, screen protector, and camera protector combo for your iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now this is made by Simtect, and I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick this up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So if you're looking for 360-degree protection, this little package is going to do that for you, and I'm going to show you all of its features and how to install it. But first, let's go and see what you get inside the box. All right, so here we have our case and we have our screen protectors. So here you get two rear camera tempered glass screen protectors. Here's a couple installation packets. Here's your user guide and warranty. You get two tempered glass screen protectors for the front of your phone. And here is the case itself. Okay, so first off, we're going to start with the case, and it's got a little foam insert. All we need to do is kind of pop that out. And here is the case itself. It's got a nice rubber feel to the outside, very nice. On the back here, it's got a nice hard plastic cover to protect the back of your phone. Okay, so this is a two-piece design case. So what you're going to want to do first is you're going to want to pop out the inner portion. So just peel away the rubber piece here and then pop out the inner portion. You're just going to take that and put it over the top of your phone, just like that. Then you're going to take your phone and you want to press it into the case, just like that, very easy. And then you're going to want to make sure that the rubber portion is all pressed over the edge of the phone. It's going to look just like that. As you can see, we have the volume buttons on the side here, your mute button. On the other side, you have your power button. Then here we have the bottom portion, cutouts for your speakers, mic, and charging cable. On the back here, as you can see, it is nice and clear. There is a little plastic cover to keep it nice and clear until you receive it. Just peel that off. And then as you can see, there is a raised edge to protect your camera. So that's nice. And then it looks really nice and clear on the back to show off the color of your phone. Very cool. Feels really nice in the hand. It's got a nice rubber feel to it. It's not slippery. The buttons, nice and clicky. Easy to find. And there still is a nice lip around the screen to protect your screen in case you have to put your phone face down. So now we're going to go ahead and install the screen protector. So what you want to do is get your installation packet. We'll go ahead and open that up and grab one of our screen protectors. You're going to want to wipe down your screen really well to get rid of all the dust, any fingerprints. Okay, so it's all nice and clean now. Then we're going to take our dust stickers here. Get rid of any dust that we see on the screen. Then we'll go ahead and take our little wipe and kind of wipe the screen down, make sure it's nice and dry. Okay, now very important, you're going to take your screen protector. You're going to make sure that the little sticker is on the underside here, and we're going to peel this off. And once you do that, you're going to make sure you don't touch the underside of your screen protector because you don't want to get any fingerprints on it. All right, so we're going to go ahead and peel off the underside here. Okay, then we'll go ahead and lay our screen protector down on the inside here. Make sure you kind of line it up with the inside of the case here. And once you do that, you go ahead and just press down on the middle of the screen protector and it'll adhere to the rest of your phone, as you can see it's doing here. Okay, you can go ahead and use your wipe now, kind of wipe off the screen. All right, perfect installation. No bubbles whatsoever. Looks really nice. It is a full coverage screen protector, which I absolutely love. And as you can see on the case here, there is still a nice lip around the screen to protect it in case you do put your phone face down, even though you do have a screen protector on it. So now let's go ahead and put in our camera protectors. So we'll go ahead and wipe off our cameras. And then we'll just kind of dry them off just to make sure. Get off any dust you might see with a little dust sticker. All right, so once you have everything all cleaned off, we'll go ahead and take our camera protector, make sure that all the holes line up with the holes on your phone. Go ahead and just peel this back here. Remember, don't touch the underside of the protector. And we'll go ahead and put this on the back of our phone. And then just kind of wipe it down and press it a little bit. And there you go. So now your phone is totally protected. And as you can see, the little lip here comes right up to the top of the protector. Now both of these protectors on the camera and the front of your phone are also 9H hardness, so it should keep your phone nice and scratch free. Now if we look at our camera, we should see everything nice and clear. So there is the rear camera. Absolutely clear, no problems there. Now if we look at the front, as you can see, it's very clear there too, so no problems taking pictures. As you can see, the touch works perfectly fine, very nice. No touch issues. Everything's working great. Very nice. Very clear as well. So let's go ahead and see how it works with fingerprints. So it does have minimal fingerprints. It does show just a little bit, but you're not going to get something that totally doesn't show fingerprints. But this does do a pretty good job of keeping fingerprints away, and it wipes off very nice. It's very nice and smooth. It's slick, just like the glass on the phone. It makes it feel just as premium. So now let's go ahead and do a scratch test. I want to see how hard the tempered glass screen protectors really are. Typically, the glass screen protectors usually start to scratch around a 5 or a 6 with deeper scratches at a level 7. So we're going to go ahead and start off with a level 5 here, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so here we have our 5. And I don't see any scratches there. No scratches at all. So we'll go ahead and move on to a level 6 here. There's our 6. So if we look close at the camera, there are very slight, very slight scratches. I don't even know if you can see them on the camera. I can see them, but I don't know if they can show up on here. But again, they are ever so slight, and that's awesome because you don't want any scratches. So, keys, things like that, those would probably start scratching, I'd say probably at like a level 5. So just know that if you have keys or something in your purse, they shouldn't scratch the screen protector here. So let's go ahead and move on to a level 7 here. We'll see what happens with that. So here, as you can see, level 7, it did make some more scratches. These you can actually see, but they're still super slight, which is really pretty strong. I'm really surprised. So now let's go ahead and go on to a level 8. And you can even hear that. I don't even need to wipe that off. So as you can see there, that's the level 8. You really shouldn't have to worry about anything scratching at a level 8 unless you have maybe some sandpaper or some beach sand or something. So you should be good to go with anything normal that's in your purse or bag, not scratching the screen protector. All right, now let's go ahead and move on to the phone's main screen, and we'll see what it takes to scratch this screen protector. Again, we're going to start off with a level 5. Okay, and I do not see any scratches on there at all. So no level 5 scratches. So we'll go ahead and move on to a level 6. So the scratches are ever so slight. You might be able to see them right there. So they are ever so slight, which is great because you really probably won't even see them unless you're really looking for it. So let's go ahead and move on to a level 7, which is right here. And there's our level 7 scratches. As you can see, it is more prominent than the level 6 right there, which really isn't bad. So deep scratches at a level 7 are pretty much on par with other normal premium screen protectors. This is really a very nice case. I love the fact that the rubber feels so nice, and it also has edge protection in case you happen to drop your phone on the edges. You won't have to worry about cracking anything on your phone. And because it is stuck inside the case, if you happen to drop it, you won't have to worry about the phone popping out of the case either. So again, the screen protector and case and rear camera protectors are all made by Simtect. And again, I will be putting links in the description in case you guys want to pick this up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products and do reviews for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.